So here at Envision, we have created 3 specific schemes for Connor homes at the Greenview community. We have cool, warm, and also neutral. So for buyers that are looking for maybe more gray, blue, greenish tones, I think the cool scheme would be a perfect selection for you. Although we have seen a shift from the grays, it is still popular, especially in in the Pacific Northwest. The warm scheme is definitely more popular. We have seen in the design world less gray and more warm. So if you're looking for warmer wood tones, browns, ivories, this would be perfect for you. My personal favorite is the neutral scheme, where we combine elements of both. So there's a little bit of gray, there's a little bit of warmth. It kind of brings elements from both schemes and ties it all into one. So we have these 3 options for you to select from, and I think you will find something that you love. Over here, we have a few different upgrade options available for kitchen backsplashes. In addition to the upgrades available within the schemes, we have 4 different options that all offer different looks, whether you're going for a more modern linear look, maybe something a little more floral, a pop of color. Green is very popular right now. It's seen as a neutral. And then also this pattern tile, which would add a fun element in your kitchen backsplash. For those of you who may want to personalize your material selections, we can always set up an appointment here at our showroom in downtown Bellevue. You would get to work one-on-one with a designer where we would help you make those selections, whether it be tile, flooring, or slab countertops. If you want to select from other available options, visit a Greenview Heights sales representative where they can tell you how to visit our design studio.